Seafood boil. Banana. Lobster. This mango is a little dry. My tomatoes fell on the floor. Don't need no sauce. Viral situation crap. Wow. What situation? Candy? Everything's better with extra sauce. Lobster sandwich. They finally gave me my banana.
Limon. Shrimp. Tater. We literally just eat it. Cheers.
We got imitation crab today from Limon. First bite for you. More limon. Look how good that looks.
Wow. Y'all, every bite is like the perfect bite.